Feeling stressed, anxious, or unfocused? Today I'll guide you through a 5-minute box breathing practice, a simple and yet effective way to help calm your mind, energize your body, and regain control. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. For those of you that are new here, my name is Kassem, and on this channel we cover a variety of topics to help take your health and well-being to the next level. If that sounds good to you and if you'd like to stay in tune with the latest health and wellness tips, then please consider subscribing so that you don't skip a beat with Samsung Wellness. I hope you're ready to explore this powerful technique with me today, so without further ado, let's get started. First, let's make sure your nose is clear for smooth nasal breathing. If you feel congested, you can use a gentle saline spray or a natural decongestant. A clear nose helps you breathe deeply and rhythmically, which is key for relaxation. If in doubt, please check with your doctor before use. Now, find a comfortable seat. Sit upright with your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and feet flat on the floor, or sit on the ground in a cross-legged posture. Place your left hand lightly on your abdomen and your right hand on your heart. As you breathe in, feel your belly expand like a balloon, and as you breathe out, feel it soften and fall back. This abdominal focus encourages deeper, calmer breaths rather than shallow chest breathing. So here's how box breathing works. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold that breath for 4 seconds, then exhale gently through your nose for 4 seconds, and then hold again for 4 seconds. Okay, hope you're ready. Let's do this together for 5 minutes. How do you feel? Even with a few minutes of box breathing, it can lower stress, sharpen focus, and bring you back to balance. Try this daily, in the morning, during breaks, or just before bedtime, and notice the difference that it makes. If you're interested in how I strive for success in the day, then why not check out my morning routine in my video right over here. My name is Kassem. Thank you so much for watching.